Dzień dobry, good afternoon. I'm here again. I'm enjoying sunshine. It's very beautiful, sunny and warm weather. Look, I'm even take off my jacket because it's very warm and sunny. And today I will show you around. I will park and stroll around in the park. It's called Park Sawatchki. So it's looks like very busy and many people are coming here with the family. All right, seems like this park is very busy, especially on the weekend, and that is basically the lake in the middle of the park, and I'll show you around how it is. It's very nice, and you see that there are so many family walking, sightseeing. It's very nice. And just like this, actually, if you walk there over there and then go there, is actually the hotel and the restaurant facing the lake. It's very nice, and look, it's very clean. Look at these beautiful ducks. Wow, and look at that. Amazing. So just like I told you, 25% of land in the Poznan area is actually the green spaces. Basically, this Pacholatski is around 10 or 15 minutes walks by our apartment. So you know where you can spot me, because this is just like my everyday walk from the apartment. It's very nice. Like, let's have a rest for 1 minute and enjoy the sound of nature and enjoying the sunshine and also answering the question. Well, from my video yesterday about I'm moving from Bali and living here in Poland, I also get many questions regarding to what is actually my next plan here. Well, the most obvious thing, actually next week I am going to Berlin, Germany. I'm going to have a high school reunion, because more than 40% of my high school friends actually living and working and married with a foreigner, and we will have a reunion. I'm so happy, and we will take opportunity also to have a talk, because it has been like quite long time, around 17 years I didn't meet my friend. And yeah, we plan to go to the one Indonesian restaurant in Berlin so far. So yeah, let's meet up if you are living in Berlin, and let's have a talk. So what is next? So after come back to Berlin, actually I will start working on many things, applying my residency permit and work on education and also my Balinese business. I want to open a little Bali in Poland, so whenever you come to visit me in Poland, you still feel like you are in Bali, but actually you are in Poland. So where is Damian? Damian is busy working, and I'll show you. He actually opening his business. Everywhere I go, I always bring his business card. Let's say if I get lost, so I can ask somebody else to help me to call Damian. Where this is his business. Kochanie, zobacz tutaj mój mas, mam na imię Damian. So he has a transport business in Poznan. So whenever you come to Poznan and needs his transport service, here is for you. Right, so what is next? Well, I'm living based in Poland, and then my plan is actually I will still come to Bali. Bali is always my home. Maybe I will come to Bali, once a year just to visit my family. And then I would like to say thank you for those of you who send me, message in Instagram and also private message, and that you guys only interested in you know, about Bali content or something like that, and follow us because of, you know, loving Bali so much no matter what. Thank you so much, appreciate that. Keep coming to Bali. So my friends and my family still, you know, can make money from the tourism industry, right? Well, what I can say that life is actually a matter of choice, you know. If it doesn't work out here, for sure I will come back again to Bali, but for now I'm living here, I'm living with my husband here, so yeah, I'm enjoying Poland. The more afternoon, the more and more people are coming here. It's just like, you know, listening how they laugh, they, you know, they enjoying their time with their family, with their friend. It's really like a work-life balance, isn't it? And the most happiest thing in, you know, with me and in my life is just like, you know, I'm living my dream, living in the first world country in Europe. You know, for some Asian, just like me or someone, you know, like yesterday somebody from Sri Lanka sent us message in the Instagram and saying that, you know, his dream is actually living in and settle in Europe. Yeah, what I can say that, you know, for some Asian, basically living in and settle in Europe is a dream. Thank you for our buddy from Sri Lanka who sent us message. I really appreciate that. If I can make it, you can make your dream come true, just like me. You only live once. Work hard, be consistent, and stay true to yourself and believe that you can make it, you know, you can make your dream come true. Well, let's say that everybody has their own dream. You know, maybe for some of you also who is currently living in the rat race, fast life, and, you know, and tired of it and dreaming to have a slow living lifestyle, and go make your dream come true, you know. Move out and then just, you know, enjoy it. I actually remember, you know, the time when Damian was in Canada, and, you know, after that he was, you know, tired of, you know, living in Bali, and, you know, he said to me that, honey, I'm tired of living in the third world country and its problem. Let's move out and make a better life. Well, basically at that time I was surprised, and then so nervous. I had a mixed feeling that whether I can make it or not. And yeah, I keep, you know, believing that, you know, we have to stay together no matter what. Even, you know, let's say that my family always said that, why you have to, you know, move out from Bali and living in Poland, you know, because many European, many Russian, or many Westerners coming to Bali, you know, build the villas and buying land, and yeah, you have lots of land in Bali, so why you have to move out? The thing that I talk to my parents is that I move out is just because of I appreciate, I respect, and I love my husband, and it has been almost 10 years together. If we are still living separately, it doesn't work. You know, I'm gonna hurt the relationship, I'm gonna hurt my marriage, and I don't want that. I want to raise a family in the future, and yeah, who knows, you know, maybe like, because Damian already opening a business in Poland and settle in Poland, and I'm also planning here opening my own Bali business. You know, maybe we can come to Bali once a year, even, you know, for family visit. I know that for the Balinese is the you know, the social responsibilities and many things that sometimes it's very hard actually to make us, you know, living abroad. Oh, look at those blue sky, the sound of the birds, the nature. And this is actually the bridge, the wooden bridge that connecting the two lakes. Look, there are so many people having a picnic here, you know, by the lake. I'll show you a bit closer, like this. They bring the hammock, enjoy the sun, the warm weather. So what I can say that I think that this is the second biggest park in Poznan, that I'm so lucky that I live close by here, and then every morning sometimes I just come here for walking and running and doing exercise. You see many young people, old people with family, and everybody just come here to enjoy the time. Well, what I can say that you are living in the fast living country, but you still feel like, you know, you can enjoy your slow living. You see, like this park surround me, and this is actually on the weekend, and it is busier than usual. Look, so I'll show you. This is the playground. What a huge playground, isn't it? And you know, many families are coming here enjoying their time with the mom and with dad, children. So yeah, this is the country where actually you can, you know, raise a family. So that's the second lake, the third lake with the duck, and the most important thing for me is that there is one small cute bike cafe next to the playground. So if your child is hungry or you are thirsty, you can buy something. So basically, like I've explained you before, you know, Polish people is very family oriented, and Poland is actually the country where the place is beautiful to raise a family. You see, surround me, many beautiful family enjoying their time. It's amazing. That's actually the park Sawatki, and next to it is actually so many, you know, beautiful houses, fancy, and seems like wedding. I don't know what is it over there, and I will get closer to show you. Seems like many people are there, and look at around. Wow, I decided to get closer. Yeah, I think that's wedding. Looks so busy, right? And then actually surround here, yeah, this is a fancy estate. Yeah, well, obviously this is not a tourist spot, so it's very nice to see that how this place is becoming so bustling. Many people bringing the dog. Ooh, what a big dog. I decided to buy one coffee here. One cappuccino cost me around 13 zloty. Zdrowie! Cheers! Enjoying my hot cappuccino, just like by the lake, the small lake. Enjoying my time just like what the local do. It's very nice weather, sunny, and people are going out enjoying time. And next to our apartment is just like the ice cream shop. And look at the queue, so long. Look at the clear blue sky. Very nice weather. And actually we live at the Kościelna Street, and this is our neighborhood. You see, BC and BC. Wow. So I hope that you are not getting bored with my talk and my personal opinion about, everything. So yeah, I think that's all our video today. I will enjoying my time, look, enjoying the slow living life in the middle of fast lives around me. So thanks for watching and see you next time. Damian is working hard, so yeah. After this, I think we will meet him and we will have our own time.